Hi, good afternoon. My name is Dana Byfield. I'm founder and managing director of Dana Byfield & Co. London, a financial education company that helps you and your employees' money get working for you as hard as they work for it. I had the pleasure this afternoon of having an amazing makeup. Was a clean, sleek, fresh corporate look that I could just wake up in the morning, sort myself to go. The product's just amazing, going like a dream, and really giving me that high definition corporate look that I'm looking for. So Erica, thank you so much for making me look like a movie star this afternoon and showing me it in a fun, fashionable and easy